Hi everyone, good morning and thank you for joining me for another painting session. It will be an intuitive painting because I have no plan. Got a bunch of colors there and I don't know, for the base I will probably just select something, see where it ends up. But before I start, I want to thank you for this year. It has been amazing and I want to wish you happy holidays because Christmas is just around the corner. Let's get started. Let's get started. Yeah. You know what? Let's end 2025 with one of my favorite color palettes. This is a sap green. No, a phthalo green mixed with some orange. That could be such a great color. A little bit of greenish gold. So greens. Let's just say greens and some yellows and oranges. That's really something I love. Let's bring some water in here. Yeah, this is a color I love. Make that more wet up there so it won't be as dark up there. Okay, so we got like this faux gradient, like a fake gradient. Well, fake, it's a gradient. Let's start with some interference gold. I always love that color together with these greens. That's quite lovely so far, isn't it? Bring in some darkness. Okay, this is looking very good so far. Really enjoy this. Indian yellow. I also got Indian yellow by Tree Art, but that's more orange. Let's see how that looks. Let's start here. This immediate contrast, I love that. Okay, kinda liking where this is going. Alright, so I will be using golden yellow now. Let's see how that looks. Here. Yeah, that's more my color. That is more my color. We definitely need more white. We need one very vibrant pop. Very vibrant yellow. Love that. Yeah, I like that. Bring this yellow down. Kinda do want to break this up. I think we're almost, like, it's not my best work of this year, but I like it. Very happy I did that one. Well, this is an extreme layered painting. More than I thought I would do. I think I'm pretty happy with it. Now I will let this dry. And here you go. The more I look at it, the more I love this painting. It has so many layers, and this color palette, I just love this. Let me know what you think, and I just want to thank you again. It has been amazing this year and the past couple of years. Thank you so much for being here with me. Happy holidays, happy new year. And yeah, probably this is my last painting of this year. Next week I'm planning on doing a compilation of all my best years. Of all my best years. Of all my best paintings of 2025. Hope to see you there. Thank you so much. Happy holidays. See you next week, Saturday.